Hello guys, welcome to this video. So we're looking at the Lantern Quantitative Reasoning Book 4. This is exercise 5A and we are in page number 12. All right, so let's get right into it. So we've got another exercise here. We've got a blender. In that blender, there is something there which is called a constant. So that's why I put a constant there. So that constant for each one will be separate. It will be separate for number 1. It will be separate for number 2. It will be separate for number 3, 4, 5. It's also separate for the example. Now, how do we get that constant? We've got by the left here is the input, by the right here is the output. So when we subtract the output from the input, so 30 minus 15 is what? 11. Is 15, sorry. 45 minus 30 is 15. 55 minus 40 is 15. So you can see that constant. The constant is 15. So what we're going to be doing is, in order to get this, we're going to say 30 minus that constant 15 will give us 15. 45 minus that will give us 30. 55 minus 15 will give 40. So that's basically the pattern. So in each case, we're going to be doing that. So here, number 1, in order to get the constant for number 1, we're going to say, so number 1, to find the constant. So the constant here is we're going to pick the first one. You can see the first position, P1 here, position 1 in the input, position 1 in the output are known. So we use the ones that are known. You can see position 2, we only have for the input, we don't have the output. We don't have the input here, we have the output. So we use the ones that are known. Okay, we use the ones that are known. So here, let me solve the first one. So the constants here, we use the ones that are known. Position 1 here, position 1 here, input, output. So what are we going to do? Remember, we subtracted to get the constant here. So we're also going to subtract. So we're going to say 36 minus 24. Okay, 36 minus 24 is 12. So our constant is 12. So what we are going to be doing is we're going to subtract, remember, we're going to subtract 12 from 48 to get B. So B will be equals to 48 minus 12. All right. So 48 minus 12 is 36. So 36. So B here is 36. Now A, we'll use third, number 3. All right. So A minus 12. A minus 12, which is our constant, should give us what? Should give us 60. Okay. A minus 12 should give us A minus 12 should give us 60. So what do we do? Bring this one, collect the like terms. So A will be 60 plus 12, which is equals to 72. Okay, so A here is 72, sorry, 72. So that means 72 minus 12 will give us the 60 there. Okay, all right, let's do number 2 and see for more clarity. So we'll find our constants. Remember, we'll use the ones that the positions that are known to find our constant. So position 3 here, position 3 here. So subtract them. So that will be equals to 60 minus 50, which is equals to 10. So our constant is 10. So finding D now will be equals to 20 minus the constant 10, which is equals to 10. So D is 10. Okay. Then C minus the constant will give us the second one, which is 30. All right. So C minus c minus 10, which is a constant, should give us what? The second term, which is 30. Collecting the like terms, what will it be? So we'll bring this one here. So c will be equals to 30. When we take minus 10, it becomes positive. So plus 10. So that will be 40. All right. So the constant, so c here is 40. All right. So number 3, finding the constant again. We know position 3, we know position 3, input, output. So constant will be equals to 150 minus 120, which is equals to 30. Okay, so to find E, we'll say E minus the 30 should give us the first one here, which is 70. So E will be equals to 70 plus 30. So that will be 100. Okay, 100. So E is 100. Finding F now. F is in the second, 120F. So 120 minus that constant. So that will be 120 minus, what's our constant? 30. Should give us what? F. Okay, so F will now be equals to what? 120 minus 30 is 90. So that's 90. Okay, so F will be 90. Okay, so that's our F. All right, so basically that is how you solve those examples. All right, that's how you solve those exercises. Because of time, I'm going to be stopping here. And if you like the video, please help me subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and do well to share it with your friends. I leave you with 4 and 5 to attempt. If you have any question, just drop it, and I'll answer you in the comment section. Have a good day.